Have you ever tried to break a habit only to find yourself falling back into old patterns? You're not alone. Breaking habits is notoriously difficult, and there's a fascinating scientific reason behind this struggle. Imagine your brain as a vast forest with well-worn paths representing your habits. These paths have been carved out over time, becoming the easiest routes for your thoughts and actions to travel. When you try to break a habit, you're essentially attempting to forge a new path through dense underbrush, while the old, familiar trail beckons invitingly. But why is it so hard to resist that familiar route? The answer lies in the intricate workings of our brains. Habits are formed in a part of the brain called the basal ganglia, which is responsible for automatic behaviors. When we repeat an action enough times, it becomes ingrained in this area, allowing us to perform it without conscious thought. Think of it like learning to ride a bike. At first, it requires all your focus and effort. But once you've mastered it, you can pedal along while chatting with friends or admiring the scenery. Your brain has efficiently automated the process, freeing up mental resources for other tasks. This efficiency is usually beneficial, helping us navigate our daily lives without being overwhelmed by every little decision. However, it becomes a double-edged sword when we're trying to break a habit. The neural pathways associated with our habits are like deep grooves in a record, causing our thoughts and actions to fall into familiar patterns almost automatically. Moreover, habits often come with built-in rewards. Whether it's the rush of dopamine from checking social media or the comfort of a favorite snack, these rewards reinforce the habit loop, making it even harder to break free. But don't despair. While breaking habits is challenging, it's far from impossible. The key lies in understanding that you're not just fighting against a behavior, but against the very structure of your brain. It takes time and persistence to carve out new neural pathways and weaken the old ones. One effective strategy is to replace the unwanted habit with a new, healthier one. This way, you're not just trying to stop a behavior, but redirecting it. It's like building a new, more appealing path through our mental forest, complete with its own rewards. Remember, change doesn't happen overnight. It's a gradual process of rewiring your brain, one small decision at a time. Be patient with yourself, celebrate small victories, and don't be discouraged by setbacks. With persistence and understanding, you can indeed break free from old habits and forge new, healthier patterns in your life.